How to remove second Gmail account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove second Gmail account. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Gmail app, let's first visit the App Store and search for Gmail from here. If you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and do the same. So just click on Gmail, email by Google. And we're going to focus on this button right here. If that says update, that means that your Gmail is currently outdated. So just click on the update button so that we will be facing the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout. However, if that says open like on this page, that means that your Gmail is currently up to date and you're good to go. So let's just go ahead and open up Gmail right here. And from here, if you want to remove the other account, just click on your profile icon at the top right corner. So you should see that in line with the search bar on the Gmail app. So just click on that. And I actually have logged into many accounts, but it is the same step if you want to remove a second Gmail account. So just scroll down a bit and you should see all the list of the accounts that you have logged into your Gmail app. So at the very bottom, you should see the option that says manage accounts on this device. So it is usually below the add another account option. So just click on that. And from here, you can once again see a list of the accounts that you have logged into your Gmail. So just scroll through and find the account that you want to delete. So for example, I want to delete this certain account or certain Gmail account. You can actually see the option that says remove from this device. So just click on that. And then this window will pop up. This account and any unsaved data will be removed from Gmail and other Google apps on this device. So if you want to confirm that decision, just click on remove once again and it will remove your account from the Gmail app as well as from your device. So that is how you can basically remove second Gmail account. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.